FEC's 101. Someone has a train horn installed in their truck. I think they might battle it out with the train horn. Who knows? We got an 8,700 foot train on this one. How about that? There was 3 of them, but the second one I really couldn't read.
Yeah, but I got Speedy Gonzalez on that train.
Speedy Gonzalez from the Looney Tunes, if you guys remember. Alright, EOT. 7 o'clock. It's BBT 609 here at County Road 512 East on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to the crew of 101. Look, listen, and live.